Okay, making a quick video. It's going to be a video on for the Dell Dimension XPS T500 and T450 models, how to remove and reinstall the floppy real quick. So for starters, get your side panel off, obviously. And then there's three little clips here, here, and here. You just push those in and pull outward and pop the face off here. And it hinges kind of over here. Get that off. And then we should have the floppy here. It's got two little, as long as it's got the original, it's got two little clips on the bottom here. So we'll just undo cable and power first. And then you can just push up on these and pull it out. Now, these little clips, all you do is on the top, pull it to the side, and pop it off. You can see on the bottom, there's a little pin right here. Little pin right here. That goes into this hole right here. And there are left and right. So you just want it to fit like this. Take that little pin, line it up with that hole there. And then you just slide it on. Hold it. There you go. Once you got your clips on, it just pops in.